So today we are going to be transferring money from our ecobank mobile app to our mobile money. All you need to do is just click on the transfer down there, and then you have to select mobile money and then select myself. I want to transfer it to myself. You can also do it when you want to transfer it to another person. Input the amount you want to send. In this video I want to send 10 cedis, so I'll just click and select the network operator. I'm sending it to MTN mobile money. So after I've done that, I'll just click on continue. Let's wait for it to load, and then you need to click on confirm and transfer. Input your PIN or use your fingerprints to verify, and then click on done. And the ecobank mobile app has even given us a notification that we've transferred 10 Ghana cedis to my number, and message 2 is doing its work in the background. And then here comes it: payment received for 10 Ghana cedis from blah 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 current balance. So that's how you transfer money from your ecobank mobile app to your mobile money. It's very simple, and I know you can do it. Also comment down in the comment section what video you want me to make next.